Hello and welcome to KitPlus TV with our second pre-NAB news roundup of what you can expect to see and hear coming out of Las Vegas in just under 2 weeks' time, and where we will be reporting from the show floor. So subscribe to the channel to see the latest from our NAB playlist, and as we said last time, if you're looking for non-NAB news, then check out our kitplus.com/news website, where you will find tons more news to read up on.
So let's dive straight in and start with DPA Microphones, who will highlight to NAB, as you expect from DPA, their latest microphone solutions designed to meet the growing live production needs of the broadcast and AV markets. Now, they recently released the 4097 micro shotgun microphone and interview kit, along with two other important broadcast mic solutions, the 4466 CORE Omnidirectional and the 4488 CORE Directional Headset Microphones. Now, we're actually using the 4488s for one of our projects at NAB, and we'll be telling you more about those a bit nearer the time.
Dalit will be at the show with the latest innovations in content workflows, cloud technology and user experience. They'll be showing Dalit Flex for Teams, offered as a service for all teams with digital media management and multi-platform delivery requirements. This alongside Dalit Pyramid Solutions to enable modern storytelling and news production practices with centralized planning, remote editing and digital production capabilities.
Now, if you saw MrMXF last week, then you'd have seen he was in full NAB flow. Let's head over to him now to see what he's seen today.
NAB is only a handful of days away, and an announcement from UK-based Covatic caught my eye. Their product A-Type is a private by design solution for cross-platform connected advertising. Now, according to the press release, it's future-proof, it's simple, it's transparent, it's resilient to fraud and sustainable, and it doesn't require users to log in, and it doesn't record cookies or IDs or any other kind of personal data, making it GDPR, CCPA and Apple ATT safe. Sounds like invisible magic, tracking without tracking. So I did a little bit of reading around and was struck by the simplicity of what I call the food truck approach. Now, we've all bought lunch from a food truck. They drive around and interact with you both reliably and efficiently. They somehow know that if you order the chili burrito, then you'll also order that unidentifiable green goop drink that makes you feel healthy. They also know that the sensory, fresh-cooked smell will strongly influence the next burrito file who's waiting in line. What they don't know is your name or where you live, and they don't even care if you pay anonymously with that old-fashioned paper money stuff. The questions you ask and the orders that you placed correlate strongly with your publicly available information, like your geolocation. Now, if you do the same thing electronically with a super correlating AI engine, then it'll appear to work like invisible magic. Nice one, Covatic.
Thanks, MrMXF. A very good analogy there, and more for him next week. And of course, we'll be catching up with him in Las Vegas to see what's caught his eye at the show. Now on with the news, and Digital Nirvana has an upgrade to MetadataIQ, its SaaS-based tool that automatically generates speech to text and video intelligence metadata, increasing the efficiency of production, pre-production and live content creation services for Avid, PAM and MAM users. The new version, which the company will preview at NAB, makes beta-tested video intelligence capabilities commercially available and integrates directly with Avid Media Central.
Audio Design Desk is gearing up for its showcase this year at NAB with the public beta release of Add Audio Bridge, a new audio extension for Final Cut Pro that puts powerful sound design tools directly in the FCP timeline. Audio Design Desk, or AD, is an entirely new breed of digital audio workstation that uses AI-assisted content creation tools to enable filmmakers, editors, sound designers, streamers, and creators to produce cinema-quality sound for video in seconds.
Creamsource will return to Las Vegas, and for the first time ever at NAB, attendees will be able to get up close and personal with the new Vortex lighting series, an LED lighting system for film production that embodies the artist-first approach to UI UX for maximum creative output, for which Creamsource is known. The Vortex series features two distinct LED fixtures, the high-powered flagship 650 watt 2x1 Vortex 8 and the 1x1 325 watt Vortex 4.
Brainstorm will be showing the latest version of its flagship products Infinity Set, Aston and eStudio. Suite 5, available now for all Brainstorm users, includes a host of new features designed to improve XR content creation and workflows. while adding an even tighter integration with Unreal Engine as well. These enhancements will streamline the ability of their clients to improve the virtual content creation regardless of if they are using LED video walls or chroma sets to produce virtual content.
Now, the Grass Valley booth at NAB is always very impressive, and this year is designed to take visitors on a journey through the GV vision of what the future production environment looks like. The booth will feature pods hosting key Grass Valley partners, Appear, EditShare, Flowix, Hivision and Telos Alliance to highlight third-party tools that integrate with AMP to allow customers to create complete video workflows.
And visitors to the Grass Valley booth will also get a closer look at the most comprehensive high-performance live production technology available, including the LDX 150 and LDX 90 camera series, AMP, the infrastructure of the future, allowing any media company to connect the solutions they have today into cloud-based remote productions, providing technology for delivery, multi-viewers, remote contribution, and much more full IP infrastructure and processing products such as GV K-Frame and GV Orbit.
Now, we met them last week and heard all about it, but just in case you missed it, Lumens is introducing the VCR30 Full HD IP PTZ camera with Visca control and a new generation 1/8 Sony sensor offering image quality and video outputs that have not previously been seen in a camera at this price point. The Lumens VCR30 features simultaneous 3G SDI, HDMI, USB 3 and Ethernet video connectors for a high degree of connection and workflow flexibility, which is ideal for users in video production and live events. We have one on test and we'll be doing a review very soon.
Vidispine, which provides scalable IT solutions for media and industry, will introduce the latest advances in media asset management, SaaS-based metadata creation and cloud-based remote editing at NAB, with a spotlight on the new media portal, software as a service for metadata, which provides journalists and content producers with rapid and fluent access to a vast repository, as well as the ability to collect, curate and share that content with also search, logic and intuitive design.
Now, as broadcast workflows become more complex, the call for streamlined maintenance and minimized energy consumption has become a priority. Now, answering the challenge is TSL, and those at NAB will see them launch new updates to their power distribution units. The new intelligent PDUs have increased functionality, enhanced levels of power monitoring and management, providing operators extra peace of mind with a more streamlined workflow.
Codemill will be demonstrating the latest features of its Accurate.Video and Cantemo products at the show, with updates to include more support for dealing with audio, as well as the addition of the audio workspace. For Cantemo, the latest version, now available as a subscription model, adds support for remote proxy editing workflows using Adobe Premiere and FCPX, enabling seamless integration between the editing tools and Cantemo.
NAB will see Magewell demonstrate their latest innovation, USB Fusion. It's a multi-input USB video capture device with integrated source switching and layout control. The new hardware lets users combine camera and wired screen share sources into live presentations for online lectures, webinars, live streaming, video conferencing, news reporting and other applications.
And finally, this is not NAB news, but it is from IBC, so well worthy of a mention this week. With IBC's show returning to its regular September dates for an in-person experience this year, now is the time to propose the Best of Innovation and Creativity for the IBC 2022 Awards. Nominations are now open, all entries are free, and you'll find info and nomination forms at show.ibc.org/IBC-20-22-awards. I think we're going to have to add a link in the description for that.
That's it for this week's pre-NAB news, and now with under 2 weeks to go, we're looking forward to reporting further from the show. Look out for more interviews this week, and if you're on the move, check out the KitPlus podcast. Just search your directory, Apple, Spotify, whatever, for KitPlus, and not only will you hear the guest interviews, but also some off-the-record chat that happens after the video has stopped recording.
Don't forget to check out the latest exhibitors at our very own KitPlus shows at kitplusshow.co.uk. Just click on the venue at the top of the page. You have Glasgow, Manchester, London and Bristol to choose from in 2022, and you will see those exhibiting in your region, with many more to be added once we've tackled the NAB show. Thanks to Media Proxy for their support of KitPlus TV, and thank you for watching. See you next time.